Hey everyone, it's Mattio. Join me today. I've got an exciting Pioneer 1000 video. This is the Kemimoto soft mid window for the Honda Pioneer 1000. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna install it, and then we're gonna try it out back in the woods there, see how it performs. I'll give you my honest thoughts on it. So join me as we move forward. Let's get this unboxed. All right, cool, nothing else. So Kemimoto has got this packed away in some plastic. Alright, so we got a little, whoa, we got stuff flying out. We got some protective mesh. It's a transparent vinyl window that zippers down. So that's pretty cool. And they've got it packed away for shipping where we don't have to worry about it being scratched or anything like that. Good stuff. Looks like it's in excellent shape. We have a one-sided page of directions. I'm gonna study this for a minute and then we're gonna go ahead and figure out how to put this on our machine. Let's do this.
All right, everyone, check it out. This is what we are dealing with. Just kind of glancing at the directions. Installation looks pretty straightforward. They give you a method, kind of a procedure, which way to start. There's some of these clips they want you to do first. They're gonna go onto a top plate on your roll cage where the seat belt is located. There's some various sort of straps that will get attached methodically thereafter. Now, you'll notice I've got a sound bar. I've got the Kemimoto soft canvas top on my machine. I don't know if any of these accessories are going to interfere or impact our installation. There may be some things I do to kind of accommodate everything cohabitating nicely. So if you do have accessories, just be prepared as always to kind of work around stuff. You may need additional time or movement of things to kind of get everything to fit appropriately. Apart from looking at the directions, I'm going to dive head first and see how I can do this. I'm going to start with these J clips. They're located in the top corners. The zipper and all that stuff are going to face towards the interior of the vehicle. All right, so with that in mind, so zipper's facing the inside of the vehicle. I've got to come around like this with it. This top plate looks like this will go on the outside edge of it. That was actually pretty easy. Everything should kind of sit flush along this back part of your roll cage. Another thing I'm realizing is you're going to want to have the bed tilted back. Let's make our lives easy. The directions didn't explicitly state that. Just kind of looking through things, I think that's going to be your best bet. So my J hooks are on. They want the top Velcro, what they call the hook and loop fastener, secured next. Pretty easy to do. Now here again, due to my accessories, I'm not able to secure the entire run of it. The sound bar interferes, some of the roof straps interfere. I'm not too worried about that. I expected it. Here again, you got two lengths of this Velcro on this top rail. This is going to be when you roll up your window to retain it, so you don't need to worry about this strap right now. Just keep it free. And I got a little bit of stuff in the way with the accessories and what have you, but you can see I still get a pretty good wrap around the outside edge of this, and I'm not worried about it going anywhere. Step 3, they want us to do these upper hook and loop fasteners. So what I determined is I came in like that, and on the back you're gonna have this Velcro strip. I came through the front of the vehicle and I brought this strap around to that Velcro area, and it just reaches and wants to move on to the door latch support. Pretty straightforward with these straps. It's kind of like a backpack. You go through and you get this adjustable plastic clasp. Snug those up. It's probably a good idea to keep each side a little loose till you're in business. Secure the bottom, the cab frame upright. So these are gonna go right here. Step number 6. These come through the small bottom rail, and they're gonna come up and secure to your plastic straps. And finally, the directions make mention of a couple magnets on the back. I don't think there's anything we really need to do with the magnet portion. Just know they're there and they can help clean up your install. So yeah, overall pretty straightforward install. It wasn't too difficult to work around the accessories that are present. So just checking this thing out on the vehicle, you could see the fabric seems to be pretty high quality. I don't see any kind of threads or frayed ends. It looks like it's reasonably moisture resistant. All the fasteners and whatnot seem to be stitched on nicely. I'm gonna show you all this zipper window here. The window unzips pretty easily, and it also rolls up if you want to keep it out of your way. And these little straps give you the means to keep this out of your way when it's rolled up. So pretty nifty, if you ask me. You can keep this in place and have your back area open, and then if you feel like closing it up, it's really not a big deal to just drop it back down into place. Just like that. It looks like it fits pretty well. I'm gonna get situated and test this thing out in the woods. Probably put the dog back here, see how she likes it, not having to hear me yap the whole time. So join me. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the test. And what better test partner than Sriracha the dog? Come on up, child. We're gonna test this thing out. We're gonna go for a cruise. Come on, I got you. There we go. You're wondering why you can't stick your head through, I bet. I think she's gonna like it better rolled up. Let's do it. All right, cool. Easy peasy. Thanks for the help. All right, come on. All right, everyone, there you have it. My thoughts on this. Just like everything else I've checked out from Kemimoto, it seems to be very well made. I've got no concerns that this won't be holding up for the long term. Not only is it in a very well protected part of the vehicle, it seems to be made out of similar material to Kemimoto's canvas top and some of their other components, their seat cover. And my experience with those materials are they hold up pretty well to the abuse out there. My soft top is constantly rubbing up against trees and whatnot, and it has yet to so much as scuff or tear. It's pretty durable stuff. You can see right there, the window actually helped keep some mud that would have landed on the back of my head flinging off the tires. So this is actually pretty cool if you do any mudding or serious kind of trail riding like that where your tires are kicking stuff up. This will help you out a little bit, I think. And the ability to roll the window up, unzip it and roll it up, it's pretty cool. It gives you access to your cargo area or your passengers without having to take the window off. If you do any kind of ranch or farm work, I know sometimes I'm transporting dirt or manure in my bed, and I really don't want those particles blowing into the cab when I'm driving around. This will be a nice addition to your vehicle. And in the winter, I expect it might help keep a little bit of heat inside the cabin that's coming off the engine. Maybe, maybe not. Kemimoto, good job. Thank you for letting me check this out. Looks like y'all have made a very well-made product, and that's been my experience with their stuff. So thank you everyone for checking out this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if this is your thing, and stay tuned for more of these videos. Until next time, Matteo is out.